for $12.68, guys, I just picked up a al pastor chicken bowl. Okay. I also asked for a couple seasonings. I got this one, and then I've got this one. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, let's just taste this al pastor chicken. All right, it's without no flour, no rice. I gotta say, flavor alone is good on that chicken. It's like a mole. I like mole sauce. And you got some of these grilled veggies. Grilled veggie, tastes good. Then you got your guacamole. There's no onions in the guacamole. It's just appears to be tomatoes and guac or avocados. That is good. Let's get in right to the sauces. The mild sauce. Don't really need it with the al pastor chicken. Okay. You can tell it's it's a tomato, it's light, it's mild. Then we got the other sauce over here. This is apparently the hot sauce. Oh yeah, be careful on that one. Okay, for the most part, I am impressed with this burrito bowl or bowl. Right, hot sauce lingers. This is a bunch of veggies, grilled veggies, and delicious chicken and protein. And the avocado complements this whole dish. Oh, it's a little hot. That sauce is a little tough. So, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to rate this an 8.2. It's really good. No sour cream, no rice, no flour, all protein, veggies, and avocado. Just delicious, guys. Get out to Chipotle. You won't be disappointed.